Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Priyanka, I can't keep calm because we're going to Europe in just 2 days. So, being your best friend, I've got your back and I've also got you a bag for this Euro trip. Yeah.
Yes, I love it. Avantika, thank you so much. Can I open it?
Yeah. Oh my god, this girl's clearly. So this is super spacious. I think you're gonna love it.
Yes. It's got so many compartments.
Yeah, and the super cool thing is that when they show me, it's just like, you know, we always like looking for pouches for our toiletries,
Yes.
and this one is so cool and it's transparent, so you exactly know what's going in there. So I got this really good deal from Paytm Mall. I bought this Skybag bag. So why are we waiting? Come on, let's like pack now.
I can't wait to pack now. I'm so excited.
And we all recommend you the Skybag whenever you're traveling because I think it's so chic and you can definitely have your perfect airport look. Also, you can buy all of these amazing bag styles only on Paytm Mall. Until next time, bye.